Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have two unboxings to share with you. I'm not 100% sure if I'll end up uploading this video. I am not really in the mood to film a video, but I'm going to do it and see how it turns out. I'm not sure if you saw my Instagram stories, if you follow me on Instagram, but we lost our older dog earlier this week and it's been a really hard week. For my family. Anyway, I don't want to really get into talking about that because it's still really hard to talk about, but anyway, I'm gonna unbox this because I did go pick up one of these items I had already pre-ordered and it came in. It was just kind of bad timing, but I had to go pick it up because otherwise I don't think they would have been able to hold it any longer for me. And then the other one I just happened to see and treated myself to just because, you know, retail therapy, it was a bad week. So anyway, I'm going to get right into the unboxing. This first item is, as you can see, from Dior, and I've already taken them out of the shopping bags because they're both big boxes and it just was easier. I purchased these at Saks Fifth Avenue. So as you can see, it is a pair of shoes. So these are the extra laces, I believe. And then the dust bags. There should be two. Yeah, there are two of them. A little card. And these apparently just came in, and I'd been eyeing this style for a long time and just had never actually tried them on or anything, but I really liked them for a long time. So, and when I saw this color, I really loved them. So I bought these blue, I think they called it indigo blue. Let me just show you the information on the box. Yeah, indigo blue D-Connect sneakers, and I got my usual size, which is a 38. And although in my walk-in Dior sneakers, I believe I have a 7.5, but the 7.5 was a little bit snug. But yeah, I just thought these were really cute. I also like the nude color in these, which I might get someday, but they say Dior here. But when I saw this color, I just thought it was really unique, and I really wanted a pair of kind of navy shoes and I hadn't really ever come across any that I really liked. So that is that. They just say Dior here on the laces and then right here. So it's pretty subtle, not a huge logo or anything. And that is the sole of them, made in Italy. I'll show you the other one quickly. So these are my new shoe additions to my collection, and I will share the price. Let me just look at your receipt. They were $1,250 plus tax, so with 13% tax, the total came to $1,412.50. So definitely pricey. But yeah, like I said, I've been looking at that style for a while and really liked that color. Okay, so this item, I mentioned in my Christmas video that there were a couple of bags that were on my immediate wish list, and this was one of them. So I was kind of holding out for this one. So this is kind of a late Christmas gift to myself. And and I just wanted to show you, my SA gave me the Lunar New Year Louis Vuitton envelopes, which was really nice. Yeah, so that's cool. I've never received those before. So I'll open those and maybe post a picture later. I'm just gonna open the open this and make this a pretty short video, and yeah, I can post pictures of those envelopes later. So this is the box. It's a big box. Any guesses on what it is? It is a new release item. So here is the dust bag to reveal. Here is the new size, the size MM medium on the go tote in the giant monogram with it's the regular monogram on that side and the reverse on this side, just like the GM size. So this is a little smaller than I thought it would be, which is what I'd been reading based on people who'd seen it already. And so I'm gonna try to fit my work stuff in it and see if it works. I really needed a new work bag. I always use my 2 Neverfulls for work, and both of them are several years old, and they need a break. So I'm gonna see if this fits. I always bring a 13-inch MacBook with me, as well as sometimes some file folders, so I'm gonna have to see what fits in here, but I'm really hoping this size will work. It's not like I bring a lot with me, but I do need to fit my MacBook. So it has the handles to be handheld or to kind of put in the crook of your arm, or you can use the shoulder straps, and the shoulder straps were comfortable on me. I know for some people they were saying they were a little too short, but for me they work fine, and I had my coat on, my winter coat. So and anyway, I'm gonna do a review, a first impressions review, when I'm feeling a little more up to it, but I did just want to reveal this and show you what I got. That's the interior. It closes kind of like a Neverfull with the little clip like that, and it's got an inside zip pocket and 2 slip pockets. And I actually like the red interior. I don't normally like red interiors, but actually on this one I do like it. So it's really pretty. I will let you know if I'm able to fit my laptop in it, and I will do a follow-up video very soon. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.